Shmizrael.
Hey, what's up?
This house is like avocado.
It is avocado. It's kind of cute, though.
It's aguacate.
What's up, buddy?
Avocate.
Aguacate, yeah.
Avocate.
Avocate?
Wait, let's take a look at this house real quick. It kind of has like a ranch-style vibe to it, right?
Kinda.
The house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's about 1,500 square feet. Seller's asking $500,000. Fireplace.
We got like a faux turf.
This is cute, though, like porch area.
Well, I don't want to kill the buzz, guys, but I mean, looks like you got water damage, a lot of deferred maintenance here.
You always kill the buzz, Izzy. Shall we?
I wonder if it'll be avocado inside.
Probably. Ah, it doesn't smell.
Oh.
Bummer.
Darn. It feels like one of those portable classrooms or like a trailer. Look, what the heck's going on?
It's a sunroom. It feels like a manufactured home.
Yeah, it really does.
And it's real dark.
That's because of this patio right here.
It would be kind of cool if we could keep this. It's a lot of square footage.
What is it? I don't know what it is.
It's a sunroom. Like, we don't have to get this permitted because it's a sunroom, right?
But I mean, you're not gonna keep this, right?
Look, it legit is
Well,
like...
because it's a sunroom.
So it's okay that it's sloping on a hill?
You gotta tear this down, bro.
Where'd she go?
I'm trying to find the kitchen. This is creepy. I feel like I'm in like a murder mystery.
And it's a weird house.
It feels a really weird vibe, like kind of just got the chills.
So this is
I
weird.
would have to sage it.
We will never sage a house.
Oh, you won't know.
Oh, I will know. Trust me, I'll find out somehow.
I don't know. There's something weird. It feels very dark.
Okay, if we get rid of the sunroom, then this is the kitchen, like completely separated from the house, and it's a square box?
We'd have to take out that wall.
Izzy, what are you thinking here? Remodel the kitchen, remove the walls.
I mean, to remove the wall, this one here, I'm sure this is load bearing. It's gonna be 8 Gs. If both of them, then it'd be 12,000. Brand new kitchen's gonna be about 15.
Would that include like a big, nice island?
I mean, it's gonna be as big as the space.
Okay, yeah, no, that's good. So the front door's here, living room's there. Let's just follow the flow of the house. So there's a bedroom right off the entry. Nothing much in here, just paint, flooring.
Remove the paneling.
Stick with us, Izzy.
Yeah.
We don't want to lose you to the ghosts. What do you think? Get rid of this and remove the hallway closet?
Yeah, for sure. Nice double vanity.
Double vanity, floor to ceiling shower. Izzy, what do you think it would cost to redo this bathroom?
12K?
12,000. And it's including taking this out?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, this bedroom is bigger than the front bedroom.
Oh no.
Huh.
My eye just caught something really bizarre.
You find a mirror?
Look down the hallway, it's like The Shining. Look,
Is that a mirror?
one bedroom goes into another.
Wait, what? This is the main bedroom of the house. Look at the
Yeah, I
size of
know,
the
but
closet.
look.
So what is this then?
This is your 4th bedroom.
This is a huge bedroom. But what do we do with the space though? Because this is gonna be the main like bedroom and bathroom of the house, and then to get there, you have to go through the kids' room?
That's something we need to consider when we make an offer. No one wants to walk through a room to get to a room.
Oh, it's a big bathroom.
What are you thinking here?
10 Gs, like for like.
Okay.
We'll reconfigure it's more.
Okay, so it's very clear that we're standing in addition, but I just feel like there's a chance it's not permitted because of the way it's built.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
Like, I feel like if someone actually went through plans in the city and got an architect, they'd have like a functional addition. This seems like a homeowner did it.
Wow, this is a big lot.
This is a huge yard.
Look at that pool. There's something very awkward about the shape, this like oval situation. It looks like a bathtub.
It looks like an
looks like a
avocado.
It looks like
Look.
It does look like an avocado. It's an avocado house.
Looking through all my numbers, not including the load-bearing walls and not including the additions and we don't know what's happening, it's about $90,000.
Okay. We made an offer the same day, and after some back and forth, we finally got the house for $475,000. Now we're ready to dive into demo, starting with the kitchen.
Let me see here.
Shmizrael, you in there?
Hey guys.
2 very important questions.
Yeah.
Is the addition permitted?
The addition is permitted.
Tell me about these walls.
Hopefully you got it less than 500 because this one's load bearing and so is the other one.
Well, they're both load bearing.
They're both load bearing.
Of course
So that's
they are.
12,000.
Yes.
Well, we got it for 475, so.
Oh.
Little room to spare.
Did you negotiate?
Yeah, she
The
points
wizard
at
did.
me. The wizard negotiated. So I had an idea, but now I don't know if the idea is gonna work because we're already spending too much money.
What's your idea?
So what I was thinking is ADU.
Okay.
So like rental unit.
You're thinking about creating a rental unit?
A rental unit. So we keep the front part of the house original, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, okay? And back here would be a bathroom and a studio. This whole space would be the guest house. It takes away the funky floor plan, it makes everything functional and increases the value. It just depends on the cost.
You got foundation, you got framing, and you got roof. So
Yeah.
you're looking about 30,000.
Okay, 30,000 spent, we'd probably sell the house for 50 to 70,000 more.
Wow.
A lot. I think it makes sense, especially with the funky floor plan. I think it's definitely a good idea. My only concern is the main house is very small now. There's only 1 bathroom.
Yeah, but you have a main house, you got a rental unit, and to get income in Orange County is really, really tough. So I think we're gonna sell it for a ton. Is he in there?
Hey, what's going on?
Sunroom's gone.
All right, well, we got walls down, we got the space open up. We wanna do kitchen layout?
Let's do it. It'd be nice to do the sink out here.
Run cabinets all the way across that wall and then across this back
You want to
wall.
get rid of this door, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, so your island's gonna have to start here.
It's gonna have to start there?
Yes, sir. Yeah, because your cabinets in here, you need 3 feet to be able to walk through here. Minimum 3 feet.
Oh,
We'd
no.
like to give it at least 3.5 feet.
How small is it going to be then?
There's 5 feet right there.
Oh gosh, try 6 feet.
Yeah, farther.
Is that gonna look weird?
It's better than no island.
I know traditionally we put the island here and then the TV's back there, but what if we did the island the long ways here, and then you could have an overhang on the outskirts and then an overhang here?
Huh.
I think it's gonna be fine actually, because it's gonna be pretty deep into the kitchen, and then the chairs of the island are gonna be looking out the backyard. All right, let's do it.
Risque.
Yeah.
Cool.
So last time we were here, we were talking about doing the ADU, and it's gonna cost about $30,000. And we mentioned putting the kitchen and bathroom back here.
Right.
We'll knock this all down.
So you're suggesting remove this whole wall?
Yes, so you'll have your kitchenette right there.
That would be really nice.
It'll be opened up to this area.
So to confirm, this wall's gone, and this whole space is kitchen. So back
Yes.
here, where there's currently the laundry room, is gonna be kitchen.
It'll be a kitchenette.
Is there gonna be room for laundry too?
Yeah, we'll be stackable here, and then we'll move this laundry to the hallway.
Opening up that wall will help the ADU feel like its own little apartment, with the kitchen area and even its own laundry. And since the main house will have its own laundry too, it's a better use of space.
So I got some bad news, and it's in the ADU. I gotta show you guys.
Okay.
All right.
Follow me. That big bumper. All right, Izzy.
Izzy, let's see if you can make it. Izzy! Look, he's going. Oh my God. All right. By the way, it's looking pretty good back here.
It is.
What's the bad news?
The vent is running right through your closet. We gotta break up the concrete, run the new vent, and that's gonna be an additional $1,500.
Just to move that stupid vent?
Yeah.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. She's right.
Oh, look at this cute little kitchenette.
Yeah, it's starting to come together.
Oh, look how nice that looks.
This is great. Look at the size of the shower.
I love this design.
Super cool.
The main house and the ADU will have similar looks. For example, we're using the same shower tile in the main house, only in blue. But I don't want them to look exactly the same since we're creating two completely separate living spaces. So, you know how we're doing the white and blue backsplash in the other house? Well, I
Yeah.
brought this as a backsplash just to mix it up so we're not doing the exact same look in the main house as we're doing in this house.
Okay, that looked nice.
Most of this is gonna be upwards, right?
We could do uppers or we could do open shelves.
I would say for sure floating shelves over there and maybe uppers back here.
Yeah, I think that looked nice.
All right, looks
All right,
good.
guys, thank you.
Thanks.
What are we doing here?
I was thinking we just paint this gray, and then for the actual, where the brick is, we can do one of these two. Because we're going with that whole mid-century modern look.
Yep.
And then we can do a wood mantle to play off the cabinets, so like that walnut color.
Okay, which tile do you like better?
Kind of like this one.
Kind of like this one. I feel like it makes a statement. With this one, it just kind of blends in.
Okay, let's do the diamonds.
All right, let's do it. What up, Busy?
Hey, guys.
That is
do you guys-
funky.
I love it. Mid-century is all about fun patterns, textures,
I know, just hold
mosaics.
on. It's
This is-
growing on me, it's
This
growing
is
on me.
a mid-century modern look. Look how it plays off the fireplace,
Oh, the fireplace looks great.
right? It looks so
Look at
nice
that.
together on this massive island, looks beautiful. Remember we were confused the first time we were in here where to put that island? This was definitely the perfect spot.
Yeah, that was.
Looks nice.
All right, I think it works.
Thanks, Izzy.
Yep.
Before we talk about paint, let's talk about this patio area right here.
Okay,
So-
before you get too excited and want to start spending $1 zillion.
No, keep it
I have an
simple.
idea.
What?
We leave all this and we just cut out the designs.
That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Get out of here.
Swear. So I brought these colors, keep it simple. For the body of the house, I was thinking one of these two grays, and then the trim white, and then the shutters and the siding black.
Okay, but before we finalize these paint colors, I got some bad news for you guys. You're gonna need a new roof. See that?
Oh, jeez. Oh, what's that gonna cost?
It's gonna cost $13,000.
It's expensive. All right, that's fine, Izzy.
Okay.
The house is cute, it's really cute.
The whole house looks completely different. These
Yeah.
paint colors look super nice. I love the combination of the gray, white, and black.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, it's cute.
Oh, so cute. It's a huge difference in here. Huge. The island's a great size. Look how many seats you can fit around it. I love the way like the kitchen plays off the fireplace.
That looks good. It's a really nice bathroom.
I love the tile. One bathroom, but at least the one bathroom's huge. Cute bedroom, it's a good size. Bedroom number 2.
So this is the main bedroom.
So this used to be the entrance to the ADU. So you walk through a bedroom to get to a bedroom.
Yeah.
This is a much better layout.
Much better. I spy something.
Oh, our putting green?
Yeah, it's in.
Oh, it looks so cute. I think getting rid of that awkward pool and doing the putting green was the best decision.
It works.
Do you want to check out the ADU?
All right. Oh, that looks cute. Look at that.
This is nice.
This is very fancy.
This is a huge selling feature.
This is beautiful. We paid $475,000 for the house. Guess how much the construction was?
With the ADU and everything, 125?
161,000.
161?
Yeah, it was pretty high. Closing costs and commission when we sell the house are about 30,000. So the break even is gonna be 666. It's your lucky number. Bring it, I will do it. Yeah, try me, 666. So with that being said, when we first bought the house, the comps were 650 to 675. Obviously, we've been here for a long time. The real estate market's crazy on fire. So the comps are about 700, 710.
Without an ADU?
Without an ADU. But the ADU brings income. I'm thinking to list it for $799,000.
$800,000 for a one bathroom house?
I know it's crazy, but the market's crazy.
Well, market doesn't lie. See what happens.
All right, $799.
$799.
Adding an ADU was a calculated risk, but it really paid off. We got 9 offers on the house, and we're in escrow at $855,000. That's $56,000 above asking. If this deal goes through, we're gonna make a profit of $189,000. Time to find another house to flip.